Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Friday, the 20th of January. Welcome back to the Day Trade with Tony Small Account Challenge. So, what is actually happening with this small account challenge? Why was there not an update yesterday? Well, I didn't take any trades yesterday. Yesterday was a no trade day, and when you've got a small account, I would caveat that you need to be taking only the A+ setups, only the prime setups. And yesterday there were none. So it's better to sit on your hands and not take a trade at all than to take a losing trade. At least you're guaranteed to break even if you don't take a trade. Okay? So yesterday there was no trade update because there was no trades taken. So today is day 4 of the small account challenge, even though yesterday there was no trading going on. Day 4, we've had a profitable green day. One trade is all you need in a small account. We started the day with just under $3,300 in the account, $3,300. So we started the week with just under $2,500. And we grew. We had a profitable day on Tuesday and Wednesday. We didn't take any trades yesterday, as I've just mentioned, and we've had another profitable day today. So we've had $325 today. So that's approximately 10% growth on the day based on the account. We started the account with $3,284. So it's just under 10% growth on the day, which is great considering I'm targeting myself on 5% or better. Now, 10% is better than 5%. So 5% or above in terms of daily gains, that's what I'm trying to achieve. I'm trying to show how a patient, methodical, slow but steady approach to growing a trading account can reap rewards. We're seeing that quite well and taking place quite well. So $300, put this into account, okay? If you're getting $200 a day, that's $1,000 a week. That's $4,000 a month. So you're looking at over $50,000 a year, based on pro rata the trading days that are available. So to finish a day, $325 on a small account. I've got just over $3,000 in the account at the moment. Started it with $2,500 this week. So already we're over $3,500 after 4 days. So we've grown the account by over $1,000 in the first 4 days. And one of those days was a zero trade day. So what did we trade today? Well, we traded Marathon Digital is what we traded. So let's take a look at Marathon Digital, shall we? Marathon Digital. So you can see here how it's had pretty much steady gains across the course of the day here. And I traded it a little bit earlier on this move up here. So what I was able to see, and I'll zoom in, shall we? And that where we can actually see what's going on here. And it started to make its move up just after 11. It got over the VWAP. And that's when, once it went green, that's when I looked to get in. It made the pullback, and then we started to make highs. So we got 10 cents on this move up, and then it pulled back a bit. We lost a little bit. I think we were $220 at this stage, and then I went doing other things. $220 off a small account. We had 2,500 shares on this move here. We got a 10-cent move, and then it pulled back, so we didn't get the full 10 cent. We're just shy of that. $220, I say, is where we were. And then it came into the close, and it started to make its move up here. So I was trading on my main account. I was recording the trade recap for my main account. And Marathon Digital moved up. It can start to consolidate here. Then it started to move up again, and that's where I was able to get the rest of this. So another $100 here. Again, 2,500 shares, and we're able to get this before it moved back, and then it moved up into the close before kind of settling at a kind of little over $8. So that was Marathon Digital. The key here is that you want to be taking trades that have a high probability of breaking out and going in your favor. Now, the moves weren't parabolic. They didn't move up. But what I was able to do with Marathon Digital is use the leverage available, because I was able to choose a stock that had a 6x leverage against it, and I was able to use the leverage available, knowing full well that the likelihood is I'm going to get at least a 10-cent move. So I was able to take 2,500 shares, knowing that 10 cents is $250. So on both of those occasions, I got a little over 5 cents on the 5 cents up on the second move, 10 cents on the first move. So altogether, a little over $300. So that's steady, good steady gains. Looking for 5% equity growth daily, and if we can average that, we'll have a $30,000 account by the end of February and above. So back at it on Monday. As I was saying when I recorded the trade recap video for the main account a few months ago, I won't be trading, I won't be streaming my trades live pre-market for 90 minutes. I'm only going to be doing it for an hour now. So on Monday, I'll be streaming live an hour before the market opens, so from 8:30 market time. So I may be trading for the hour before that if there's something worth trading. What I've found is there's not been much worth trading for that first hour that I'm able to trade. So rather than sitting there talking about nothing, I'm going to be streaming the last hour of the pre-market and the first 90 minutes of the open after the bell. So come join me on Monday. We'll do it slightly later, but we'll do it again for 2.5 hours, streaming the trades live, and I hope to see you there. In the meantime, enjoy your weekend. We're growing this small account nicely, and hopefully we'll continue to grow it next week. Take care. Enjoy yourself.